Looking for armpit warning signs? Due to the negligence in taking care of our health, multiple people now and then face different health issues. By daily leading an unhealthy lifestyle routine, most people face major health issues like cancer, heart attack, and many other problems. In fact, our body also provides all the symptoms to understand whether the body is going through health issues or not. Similarly, if you want to lead a healthy lifestyle every day to avoid health issues, then here in this video, we provide some common warnings. By simply acknowledging the common symptoms of armpit warning signs, you can quickly understand whether you are going through health issues or not. Armpit warning signs: you have health issues. Now here in this video, we will elaborate on each of the armpit warning signs in detail so that you can understand the problems with your body quickly. 1. Smell underarm. A sore body smell is natural because the bacteria grow under the arms and spread quickly to make them comfortable. But if you have a smell underarm more than usual, it is a sign that your body is going through some health issues. We immediately take the help of deodorant or body spray to remove the smell, but it is not a perfect way to get rid of the smell. Instead, you should consult your doctor immediately if you want to avoid health issues. Possible causes due to bacteria: excessive sweating, hormonal changes. 2. Itching. Itching is another common sign that your health is suffering from health issues. It is absolutely fine if you are having itching in the usual way. But whenever you rapidly face a problem with your maximum body parts, you should consult your doctor immediately to find out the exact reason behind it. Possible causes: eczema, allergies, due to fungal or bacterial infection. 3. Rashes. Besides that, the rashes are another signal that can also help you understand that your health is leading to some health issues. You can also suffer from many infections by having rashes on your body. It can appear on the body in multiple sizes, from small to big. To find out the problem of rashes, you should take the necessary guidance from a doctor to solve the problem. Possible causes: bacterial or fungal infection, seborrheic dermatitis, scabies, urticaria, allergic reactions. 4. Excessive sweating. Excessive sweating is another common signal that can also help you to understand the matter of health issues. If you are doing nothing but still have lots of sweat, then this is not a good sign for your body. It is a prevalent sign that you might suffer from diabetes disease. There can be other major or minor health issues. Possible causes: intense exercise or activities that make you sweat, anxiety or stress, diabetes, menopausal hot flashes, infections. 5. Pain. Body pain is another common sign that can help everyone understand that the body is going through some health issues. If you are lifting heavy weights, then the pain in your body is very natural. But this might be a powerful sign when the pain in your body comes without lifting a heavy weight or doing anything else. Immediately you should consult with a doctor instead of taking the painkiller. Possible causes: injury, boils, blisters, or sores on the skin, swollen lymph node, shaving bumps, muscle strain. 6. Enlarged lymph nodes. Besides that, enlarged lymph nodes are another common sign that you can find out in the armpit. If your body is affected by cancer, this particular sign will appear on your body. They are the result of lots of infections and bacteria that are growing in your body. And eventually, you may suffer from dangerous health issues like cancer. 7. Swelling under the armpit. No pain. Under the armpit, if there remain lots of cysts and bacteria, then you will not be able to understand the pain or feel the pain after swelling. In fact, shaving the armpit can also sometimes not help you to understand the pain or the irritation as well. The lumps are a severe indication of health issues. These common armpit warning signs will help you to understand quickly whether you are leading an unhealthy life or not.